Hello friends, welcome to Flavors of Rio's Kitchen with me Sushmita. Today I am going to prepare one of the very special recipe on a very special occasion. So today, do you want to know that what is that special occasion? Yes. So today I am going to prepare podo pitha on a special occasion of Raja. So today not only I will share the recipe with you all, I will share also how we Odias celebrate the Raja Parva. Odisha, the land of Lord Jagannath, will celebrate 13 festival in 12 months. Yes, you are listening correct. 13 festival. We Odias are celebrating so many festival. The number count of the festivals are more than that of the number of months. So among them, this Raja Parva is a very important and a special festival for us. Here in this festival we used to prepare so many type of dishes, like we used to prepare podo pitha, chokore pitha. This Raja Parva festival is divided into 3 days. Explore the essence of Raja Parva festival by this video with me. I will share some of the pictures and some of the videos how we Odias will celebrate this Raja Parva festival. One extra day also. Before this 3 days, means the day 13th, date 13th, this is called a Sajobaja day. That day we girls and all the ladies will do all this Sajobaja, like we used to do mehendi, we used to put oratas, and we will do head bath and all that things we will do in this Sajobaja day. Then it comes to next day, means the 14th today. So this is known as the Pahili Raja. This is the first day of Raja. This is known as the Pahili Raja. I will share some of the pics how we celebrate this Pahili Raja. Is called Raja Sankranti or Mithuna Sankranti. So this is the day we believe that after this day after this day the rainy season will come to Odisha, and all Odisha people will welcome the agricultural year after this day. So I will share some of the pics how we celebrate this Raja Sankranti in a different way. of the Raja Parva is jhulas. Girls dress up and they will swing on the jhulas that is hanging on the low branches of the tree. And also my hometown is Bhubaneswar. I saw in Bhubaneswar that so many types of different variety of jhulas are there. People will enjoy a lot in these jhulas and in this Raja Parva. Although we will prepare so many type of dishes in this Raja festival, but there is a saying that that in this Raja festival, women should not do any household work. They have to just give rest to themselves, and they have to play so many type of indoor games like Ludo, Tash. These all games. Also, in villages, men will play kabaddi, kho, this type of games in this Raja. The third day means 16th is called Bhudan, or last day of Raja. Each day signifies the different phase of the festival. The wife of Lord Vishnu, that is goddess Earth, undergoes menstruation in these 3 days. That's why in the fourth day we used to celebrate Vashumati Kadua, that is Vashumati Shnana. And in this fourth day we used to give birth to the goddess Earth or Vashumati. This is the end of and the last festival of last day of festival Raja. this video is all about how Odiyas will celebrate the Raja Parva, and also I shared the recipe of Podo Pitha. So thanks for watching this video.